Right. Everyone see, yesterday fourth problem we are doing at the time it will be cut at the time of last bit. That is the compound events we write. Fourth problem is completed. Just we are going to start the fifth problem. At the time only today we are going to discuss the fifth problem. Everyone see. Fifth problem see everyone. So what is the fifth problem is given by three coins are tossed. Okay, na? Right. Fifth problem. Everyone see the fifth problem. So three coins are tossed. Fifth problem. Right. Three coins are tossed mean. So sample species with three. Okay, na? Eight will come. Eight will come. Okay, na? Eight will come. Everyone remember 8 will come. So I will write, everyone see, I will write, everyone observe. So triple S, why I am putting the triple S mean? So first coin, second coin, third coin. So it will get, first coin will give head, second coin give head, third coin will give head. Next, two heads, one tail, write down, H, H, T, and arrangement H, T, H, two heads and one tail, two heads, one tail. Next, two tails, one head, T, T, H, arrangement T, H, T, and H, T, H, T, T, and total is the tails. Three will give the tail. This is the chances for sample space. I will write sample space. Everyone observe fifth problem. So triple S I will write mean first coin will give H, second coin will give H. That each one event, one sample point. This is the one sample point. This is the one sample point. This is the one event. 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 Total is the 8 events. Okay, na? Right. Now I go through the three coins are tossed. Describe first bit. Everyone see. First bit is what he is telling that two events which are mutually exclusive. Two events. Any example we can take, no objection. I am taking, so three heads. A is equal to three heads. I am taking A is equal to three heads event. What are the three heads in the sample space? Is the H, H, H. Okay, na? Right. I will take B set is three tiles, three tiles. I have the last in the sample space. It is in the last in the sample space. T, T, T. Okay, na? T, T. Now see the A intersect. B is equal to no common. Therefore, A and B are mutually exclusive. Therefore, A and B are A and B are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means group events. AB group events. Okay, na? Not only one event, two events, A and B. First problem is completed. We can take any one, double HT and two heads, one tail, and one tail, two heads. We can take no common. That is also we can write. Okay, na? Any one we can take, no objection. Okay, na? Right. Second bit. What is the second bit is three events we can take. Three events means A, B, C. Three event. Event A, event B, event C. Three events take. The three events are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So exhaustive means sample space. Mutually exclusive means no common. Mutually exclusive means no common. Take any one example. I am taking for the second bit is, so three are mutually exclusive, three events. A, I am taking one event. So A is I am taking the three or tiles, three or tiles. This is the one event. Next, B, I am taking two tiles, one head, one head, two tiles, one tile head, tile, and tile head, two heads and one tile. Okay, na? Next, C, I am taking at least two heads, at least one head. So C, I will take at least one head, at least, yeah, I'm taking the at least two heads, at least two heads means two heads and more than two heads. Okay, na? Two heads we can see. Two heads is the HT and HTH. Two heads, one tile, and next THH. So two heads completed. Next take the three heads. Next take the three heads. Okay, at least means least of two and more than two. Least two and more than two. Okay, na? Right. At least two heads I will write. A right, B right. Now see A intersection B. No common empty set. Therefore, A and B are mutually exclusive. A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, na? Mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Write down. Mutually exclusive events. And not only A and B, A and C, with A only observe. A and C, no common C. A and C, no common. So A and C are mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive event. And A completed, A, B completed, A, C completed. Start with B. B, A, already A, B completed. So B, C, C. B, C. B intersection C. B and C, any common is there, CM? Here two heads, here is the two tiles, here is the two heads. Here is the two tiles, here is the two heads. No common, no common. Therefore, it is also empty set. Therefore, B and C are mutually exclusive event. Next, exhaustic. Three events are exhaustic mean A union B union C. Write down. A set is all are three heads, and union B set is one head two tiles, one head two tiles, one head two tiles, one head two tiles, one head two tiles. Union C is, what is the C is? Two heads one tile, two heads one tile, two heads one tile, two heads one tile, and three heads. C also. Union means write down total. Union means write down total. It is a sample space, same C. Sample space, same sample space. So T, T, T. Next H, T, T. Next T, H, T. Next T, T, H. Next double H, T. Double H, T. And T, H, T, H. And next one is T, H, H. T, H, H. And three heads, same sample space, same sample space. Therefore, A union B union C is the exact three A, B, C are exhaustic events. Now write down. Therefore, A, B, C are so exhaustic events. Exhaustic event. Exhaustic events means sample space is union is the sample space. Mutually means no common. Okay, na? Right. So second bit also completed. Go through the third bit. Two events take not mutually exclusive. Two events not mutually exclusive. So take the two event. So two events are not mutually exclusive. Any one example we can take. Any one example. We can take any one example. Not anyone. In this one, A, B, C. I will write A, B, C events. Na? A, B, C events I will write. Na? Basing that one. What is the third bit? Everyone see the third bit is right. Third bit. First bit is completed from the same sample space. All right. I go through the second bit, third bit. Everyone see the third bit. Everyone observe the third bit. Same sample space. Fifth problem, same sample space. Same sample space. All right. Everyone observe third problem, third bit. What is the third bit is given? Fifth problem, third bit. Two events, take the only two events, means A event, B event, not mutually exclusive. Okay, I will take two events. I will select any one. Two events, not mutually exclusive. That's enough. Only two events I am taking. So all are heads, one event. All are heads, one event. Okay, na? Next, B is the all are tails, one event. All are tails, one event. Okay, na? A intersection B, any common, no common. Therefore, A and B are mutually exclusive. A and B are mutually exclusive. In textbook, last answer is given with two heads and two tails. A answer textbook is given in the answer is A is equal to two heads, one tail, two heads, one tail, HTH, and what is the THH. Okay, na? And the B set is taking, he take the two tiles, one head, two tiles, one head, two tiles, one head, and two tiles, one head. What is the run? So anyone you can take Rani, no problem. Anyone you have to be observed, no problem. Any example you can take, not only exactly textbook answer. Just I am writing the textbook answer here is okay na T okay na. So anyone, everyone observe Rani. Here is anyone have the doubt. Once again, see what they are going to asking. Question is I understand. So sir, exactly we can write any first one and second one is so not only that one, not only anyone you can write no objection. Okay na? Anyone example write, not exactly textbook answer. Anyone you can write. Okay na? Right. Come to the everyone observe. All right, everyone see the fourth bit. Everyone see the fourth bit. All right, see the fourth bit. Whatever one time you have to see, recorded, I will send. One time see, any doubt is there means you can put my WhatsApp. I will give the answers. Okay, na? Right, leave it. That rising up and Rani can leave it. So I will once again see the recording and then you can have any doubt means you can put in WhatsApp. I will explain once again. Okay, na? In WhatsApp only I will explain. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit is? What is the fourth bit is? Everyone see the fourth bit is two events. Take the two event mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. So fourth bit is I am taking two events. So A is I am taking one event is all are heads. Not only this example, not only this one, anyone you can take, no objection. Okay, na? B is the I am taking B is the right, three heads, three tiles. So see, A and B are not common. Therefore, A, B are mutually exclusive event. A, B are exclusive events. Exclusive events. Okay, na? Exclusive events. Next, I go through the A union B. Exhaustica, not exhaustica. See, A union B, only A is the H, and B is the T. Its union is so H, and T. It is not equal to sample space, not equal to sample space. Therefore, A and B are not exhaustive events, are not exhaustive events. Exhaustive events. Okay, na? Are not exhaustive events. Okay, na? Clear everyone? Fourth bit also clear? Right. I go through the fifth bit. Anyone you can take, not only what I am taking, same not necessary. We can take any, no objection. Okay, na? Right. Everyone go through the fifth bit. Fifth bit. See the fifth bit, everyone. What is the fifth bit is? Three events we can take, that is a mutually exclusive and not exhausting. Three events take. Three events mean A event, B event, C event. Three are mutually exclusive but not exhausting. Not exhausting means not equal to the sample space. I will take. First, everyone write down A is equal to exactly one tile event. Write down in sample space exactly one tile. See in sample space, write down exactly one tile. Double HT, one tile only. HTH, one tile only. And THH, one tile only. Exactly one tile. Second event is the B. I am writing exactly two tiles. Write down exactly two tiles. Write down exactly two tiles. Write down exactly two tiles. Summer. So one head, two tiles. One head, two tiles. One head, two tiles. One head, two tiles. Exactly two tiles. I will write. Next C, I will write exactly three tiles. Write down. Exactly three tiles. Write down. Exactly three tiles. Write down. That is T. Okay, na? In the sample space. Now see, A intersection B, no common. A intersection C, no common. And B intersection C, no common. Now observe. So A, B, C, three events are mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive events. Exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events. Okay, na? Union, write down, everyone. Write down the union. Write down the union. First, write down the union. Union is equal to the sample space. See, union equal to sample space means exhaustive, not equal means not exhaustive. Okay, na? A union B union C, write down. A set is double T, the one tail only, that is the A events. Union B events is the one head only, TTH, next THT, next HTT, one head only, and union, what is the third one, is three tiles only. Now it is observer. So HHT, union means everything, write down. THT, THH. Next one also write down TTH and THT and HTT. Last one is the TTT. It is not equal to sample space. Why is not equal to sample space? Triple head is not there. Triple head is not there. Triple head is not there. So therefore it is not equal to sample space. Therefore A, B, C are not exhaustive events. Mutually exclusive but not exhaustive event. A, B, C are mutually exclusive, mutually exclusive, but not exhaustive, because of not equal to sample space, but not exhaustive, Okay, na? But not exhaustive. It is not equal to sample space, but not exhaustive. Okay, na? Clear, everyone? Right, right on. Sixth problem. Everyone read the sixth problem. Everyone read the sixth problem first. See in our textbook, sixth problem. What is the given sixth problem is? Everyone observe the sixth problem. Anyone have the doubt, you can put in my WhatsApp. I will give the answer for them. Okay, na? Right. Everyone read the sixth problem first. Everyone read the sixth problem and work out. We have right. Read everyone sixth problem. Right. Everyone read the sixth problem first. Read the sixth problem. Be ready. Right. See the sixth problem. Everyone read the sixth problem. Be ready. I am reading the sixth problem. Right. See the sixth problem. Everyone. Sixth problem is two dice are thrown. The events A, B, C are as follows. Two dice. One die, six faces it have. One die, it have the six faces. One die, second die, two dice is there. It have six faces. Therefore, sample space is double dice. Okay, na? Sample space is the double dice. So 36 we have sample space. 1 1 by the trick method, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Okay na? Next write down two with the 2, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Everyone write down with the 3 number. First write down 3 1. Okay na? 3 1. Double numbers. Sample space double numbers because of 2 dice. So 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Okay na? Next write down 4 1, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 5, 4 6. Next write down with the 5. Everyone 10 minutes time is there. First write down 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Okay na? Right. 6 write down with the 6 number. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Okay na? Totally the 36 count. Totally the 36 2 dice faces to the power of number of die. One die thrown 2 times. 6 square is the 36 events. I will write. Okay. What is the A is given number? What is the sixth problem? A is 2 dice are thrown. The events A, B, C. First event is the A. What about A event is telling? Getting an even number on the first die. Even number on the first die. I will write, everyone see. First die even number. Second die no objection. First die only even number. First die is the even number. So first die is the even number. First die is the even number. First die is the even number. Okay na? Next, first die is the even number is the 4 1, 4 2. Second die no objection. 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 5, 4 6. Start with the first die is the even number. 6 1, 6 1, and 6 2, and 6 3, and 6 4, 6 5, 6 5, and 6 6. First the first die is the even number. I will write. First die is the even number. B write down. First die is the odd number, means 1 3 5. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Next 3 1, 3 2. First die only odd number. 3 2, 3 3. Second number no objection. 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Okay na? One more is the 5. Odd number is the 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 5, 5 6, 5 6. Okay, right, great, everyone. What is the C event is? C, everyone, C. C is given by, what is the C is given? Getting a sum of numbers on the die is less than or equal to 5. What is the getting sum of numbers, sum of two numbers on the dice less than or equal to 5 mean least is the 2. sum is the least is the 2, top is the 12. Okay, now maximum is the 12. That means 2, 3, sum is the 2, 3, 4, up to 5 required. I will write C. Sum is 1, 1. By adding two numbers, 2 is the sum. 3, 1, 2. Immediately write down 2, 1. 3 completed. 1, 2, 2, 1. 4, 2, 2. Okay, na? 3, 1, 3. Immediately write down downside is the 3, 1. 4 is completed. Next, 5. 5 means where we get 5 is. See the 5 is. 5 means 2, 3 and 3 downside write down 3, 2. 1, 4, 4, 1. 1, 4, 4, 1. Okay, now any other chances is there one time? See, C is everyone observe. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Very good. 1, 4. Next 2, 1, 3, 1. Right. 3, 1. 4, 1. Right. 4, 1. Next 2, 2. Right. 2, 2. 2, 3, 3, 2 completed, right? 2, 3, 3, 2 completed. X exactly we get. So that is the C set is over. What is the required in the sixth problem is CMO? What is the required in the A complement, not A? A complement. First bit is the A complement. Means not A. Not A. Not A mean S minus A. Write down. In S, A is the first die is the even number. Even number take same B will get. Odd numbers will get. Okay, na? Odd number same B will get. Write down the B. So A in sample space, even number replace means automatically odd number is the first die. Same B will get. What is the B set is? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Okay, na? 3, 1. First die the odd will get 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Next 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next with 5. First die the odd number 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. See one time. Everyone observe. So S minus A. A is the first die is the even replacement. First die is the odd place. B, same B will get. That is the A dash. Second is the not B. Not B means B dash. B dash means S minus B. S minus B means same. First die is the odd number means A will get. Write down the A set. What is the A set is that even number is the first die. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next with start with 4. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6. Next 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay, na? 6, 6. If we write down 6, 6. Okay, na? Clear? 6, 6. Not clear here. Here writing I am 6, 6. Okay, complete everyone. That is the second bit also completed. Now go through the third bit. What is the third bit is A or B? A or B. third bit is, everyone go through the third bit. A or B means A union B. A or B means A union B. A or B means A union B. Write down A union B. Everyone write down A union B. Third bit is A or B. A or B means A union B. Right. A set elements and B set element total is write down. A set means same sample space we get. A is the even numbers, B is the odd numbers, same sample space will get. Okay, na? Total is the sample space I am writing. Yes, just I am writing the S. S is the best. So same sample space we get. Yes, S we get. Okay, na? Third bit is completed. Right. What is the fourth bit is? A and B means common. Fourth bit is